Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Nigerian international passport. So first things first, we head to our browser and we type in immigration.gov.ng, which is the official website of Nigerian Immigration Service. So we'll wait for that to open up, and when the page loads you're going to navigate to services. Under service you're going to click passport, okay, which is the service that we want for now. So again, I'm going to repeat this step. You go to Nigerian Immigration Service official website and you go to services. Under services you locate passport and click on it. So I'll go ahead and click on passport and I'll wait for it to load. Alright, so this is the page that is going to load at first. So what you're going to do is to scroll down to the end of the page, because this is just information explaining everything, details about the passport and the rest. So for this, we have two options here. Number one, if you're applying from outside Nigeria, and you're going to click the first one, and if you're applying within the country, which is within Nigeria, you click the second option. So that is what I'm going to click, and this notice is going to come up, and this is the passport application portal for applicants applying from within Nigeria. If you're applying from within Nigeria, click the continue button. To apply from outside Nigeria, click on apply from outside Nigeria, which is the red button on the right. So because we're applying within Nigeria, I'm going to click the green button on the left. Alright, so when you click that, this page is going to open up, and we have several options here, which is apply for fresh passport, which is what we want. You can resume your passport if you've already started the process already. You click on that, and you can apply for a renewal. If you have a passport before and it has expired and you would like to renew, you might want to click on the renewal reissue button. So several options we have here, and then you choose according to the process where you are or the kind of passport that you need. So for me, I want to apply for a fresh passport, so I'm going to click this. Alright, so this page is going to load up where you're going to input your information. So of course, if you're Nigerian, you should have your NIN as a Nigerian. So I'm going to input my NIN here and the other details, the date of birth, and I'm going to input the CAPTCHA number here. Yours is going to be different, but this is 1690. After that, which I'll click verify, it's going to verify and bring out my details to show that my NIN is correct. So from there, I will just scroll down and then click continue. Alright, so we are still within the first step. Now we have several options here, and then we are going to take note of this number. You might want to take note of this number, write it down somewhere if possible, because you're going to need this number to further process your passport later in the future if you want to track your passport or edit the passport later if there is an issue or there is an error somewhere. All right, so we are going to choose the type of citizenship we have, which is by birth, and then we'll go ahead and choose the location of our processing office. So I want it to be in Abia State. So in Abia State, I'll go ahead and choose the processing office within Abia State, which is in Umuahia. And then the next option is to choose the booklet type. We have 32 pages and 64 page. So because this is a fresh passport, I want to go for 32 page. You may want to go for 64 page if you're a regular traveler, and that will also give you an option to choose a validity period of 10 years. But if you're getting 32 page, you will make do with just 5 years. So I'll go ahead and select 32 page, and I'll go ahead and select the years, which is 5 years. So the number of years there is going to be 5 years since I chose 32 page. But if I had chosen 64 page, it will have given me an option to choose 10 years if I want to. So I'll go ahead and select 5 years, since that is the only option left for us for 32 page. So I'll go ahead and check this box here to confirm that all the details I entered here are correct, and I'll click continue. Now the price of this passport here, and this is the current price here, and the price can change. This is not the price can change from time to time. So I'll go ahead and click continue, and this page is going to show up. This is where we are going to input our passport. So you're going to upload a passport, and of course you already know you have to input a passport standard passport photo for this. So you might want to do a Google search for that, so that it will give you details of how you can edit your passport to be a passport standard photo. All right, so this is correct. I've uploaded this, and this has been uploaded successfully. So we'll continue from here. I think this passport was accepted. So yours might not be accepted at once, but just keep trying. You're going to get the correct type of passport. You might want to go online to get specification on the standard of passport you need for this kind of process. All right, so like I said earlier, the passport is a bit tricky. Work on it to get it. So go ahead and check this and click continue. Now for this area, we're going to input our personal details. So I might want to cover some information here, because these are personal details of someone else. So don't mind me if you notice that I covered some areas here with the subscribe button. I'm just trying to protect certain personal details. All right, so for here you can see I've imputed most of the informations here already. So I'll go ahead and input the remaining informations. Remember, I told you earlier that I'm going to cover some of the informations here just for privacy's sake. So when you're done, you click continue, and then we are in contact information now. So we are going to input the contact information, and I'm going to cover some details here also, but you can go ahead and input your own contact information accordingly. All right, so we are in the last step now. We input the informations accordingly. So of course, you're not going to input my own information, you input your own. So some of the details here will be covered for privacy's sake. Don't mind me. So input this. So I'm going to input a number and I'll click continue. Alright, so at this stage we have some at this stage you need to have some documents, and first of which is your birth certificate, and second of which is a local government certificate of indigenship, and then you might want to get a marriage certificate if you have. Now all of these certificates you can get it at your local government. Just go to the local government closest to you and then ask them for your birth certificate. They will get it for you. Local government certificate of indigenship, that you can get that one at your local government office. And if you can't get any of these documents, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I will direct you or give you a contact that you can call that will give you that will help you get some of these documents, because you need to have these documents at hand while going for on the day of your appointment. So take note of that. All of these are very, very important. You need to have it at hand before your appointment date. So like I said earlier, the birth certificate, local government certificate of indigenship is very, very, very important. You need to get them. You need to have them at hand. When you're sure that you've gotten all of that and you can get all of those things and upload them online, then you go ahead and check this box here and continue. Okay, so at this stage we are almost done with this process. So you can see that all of our details are almost complete, so we just need to do a few things, a couple of things, and then we are done with this application process. So now we are going to make payments for this. Now the figure here is different now. Currently I think the fee has been reviewed upward, so take note of that. The amount you're going to pay is not this amount you're seeing on the screen here. It has been reviewed upward, so just check the box here and click continue. Now we are going to make payment, so you're going to input your choose a payment method that you prefer. You can use your card, you can use Paystack. So for me, I think I might want to go with Paystack because I'm used to Paystack and I've used Paystack several times. So I'm going to select Paystack and then input my card details and then make payment. Alright, so at this point I've been asked to, I'm going to enter my card details, and of course I'm not going to make that visible here. So I've entered my card details and it's brought me to this option, and I'm going to enter my 4-digit card PIN, which I'm not going to input online here. I'm going to conceal it, and after which I'll show you the details after. So I've made the payment and I'm going to enter the code that was sent to my email, and the payment has been successful. So that is it, folks. The process is basically straightforward. Go on to the website, Nigerian immigration website, the official website, and then just follow the process all through. When you're done, you might want to have your birth certificate at hand, certificate of indigenship at hand. They are very, very important. You need to have them at hand. physically even while going for your interview, and you need to have them at hand so that you can upload it online to complete your application process. Like I said earlier, if you have problem getting any of these details here, hit me up in the comment section. I will give you a contact you can call that can help you get all of those documents. But basically you can get them at the local government office closest to you. Just go to the local government closest to you. All of these documents is available there. Meet any of the officials there. They will direct you to the department where you can get all of these documents that you need to begin this process. So if this video was helpful to you, share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you on the next one.